The Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs Government of Meghalaya had organised a roadshow to welcome the Meghalaya Football Team who had recently participated in the finals of the 2022-2023 Hero Santosh Trophy held at Riyadh in Saudi Arabia. The state team were able to bring home the runner-up trophy after being defeated by the Karnataka team by a mere 3-2. The open truck roadshow, which had started at Mawlai Madan Heh, had passed through the various localities and main thoroughfares of Shillong City and later culminated for a felicitation program at the Madan Ïewrynghep near the Fire Brigade ground, Shillong.
22 players, football players, made it to the finals of the 76th National Football Championship, Hero Santosh Trophy 2022-2023. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Ngayon akan kejuaraan di Jopi, dia pelapoi kado ke final. Bapak Meghalaya Football Team kejuaraan datang ke semi final untuk Jopi. Hari ini baru pelapoi kado ke final. Berlatih bahkan kejuaraan di Jopi kami kejuaraan di Jopi. Iman bol ki jine. Lagi dengan nurul ko berita kecil kejuni iman bol bahagi jine. Nanti kita mengakuat menang. Bahawa idan ni kawan idan ni kemensin. Apa yang kita kejuni izin tunjuk roper. Imdei pat meninduk mesin. Imdei menklad kita thong. Kemamami hilapo. Mapi ikut samla. Imdei menklad kita thong. Minta asli hilapo yang ke final. Kerana sebagai por lesi ras dan berkata kata berkata Anda mahu pergi warung dua nasi, terus hitam nasi por ni kumpa government ni dah ni kerja perkat nak bertajuk pergi bakum ni nyarap nak bawa kilia.